Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet corn soup. First, gather your ingredients, including fresh or frozen sweet corn, vegetable broth, and essential aromatics like onion and garlic. Begin by sautéing your diced onions and minced garlic in a pot until fragrant. This step is crucial for building a deep, flavorful foundation for your soup. Next, add the corn and broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Once simmering, allow the soup to cook gently for about 15 to 20 minutes, letting all the flavors meld beautifully. For a richer, creamier texture, stir in some milk or cream towards the end of the cooking process. This addition also helps to balance the sweetness of the corn. Finally, season your soup with salt, white pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to enhance its natural sweetness and overall taste. If you prefer a thicker soup, you can easily create a cornstarch slurry by mixing 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water, then stirring it into the simmering soup until it thickens. Just before serving, stir in some fresh herbs such as chopped cilantro or chives for a burst of freshness. For an appealing presentation and added texture, garnish your sweet corn soup with crispy croutons or a delicate swirl of chili oil. Your delicious sweet corn soup is now ready to be served. Enjoy it hot as a comforting appetizer on its own, or make it a light meal by pairing it with some warm, crusty bread or a crisp green salad. This versatile soup is perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this delightful homemade sweet corn soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.